Kayo dyan, iniwan niyo yung mascot. Kanina pa naka-smile. Ayan na! Ay, hindi! Hindi! Hindi natin! Hi, baby!
Years ago, when we launched the first BPI Well season, we just had around 30 plus age, 35. Today, on our third season, you are 76 in total. Grabe. And the total close to 1,000 athletes participating in our BPI Well season. Ang galing, ang galing.
DG Lim Cao. Nice morning, everybody! You know, we have this Wellness Cup because it's important for us to make sure that everyone understands that it's not just about working in the office or in the branch. It's also important that all of us take care of ourselves. It is part of our values that at BPI, we not only take care of our customers, but we also take care of our colleagues and ourselves. With that, allow me to declare BPI Wellness Cup Season 3 and BPI Wellness Racket Fest Season 2 open. Good luck, guys! Take care, everyone! Thank you! And camaraderie.
And camaraderie.
I understand
I understand.
that it is my duty to are you ready?
Pisado namin to. Pakita mo sila. Grabe na naman. Wow! 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 Picture kami lahat dito. Yung mascot. Picture po! Picture po! Ang kailangan terno-terno yarn. Food stop. Yung food. Gee, here's my mom. Wow!
Aray! Ay! Good, 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 good! Bago yan, nice one! Nice one!
Me too. Nice one. Good job, Cici. See, another win.